viewer, welcome to my video. My name is Dayu. Now I would like to show you how to make stationery box from the material are the first is shoe box. Of course, if you don't have shoe box, you can use another box. And then I have a perfume box, and then rolls of the toilet paper. I also have a flannel. I have a lot of color. The first is maroon, blue, orange, pink, purple, and green. We also need a marker, and then glue, and then double tape, sticky note. I have two. The first one is pink, and then the last is eyes. So guys, are you ready to make it? Let's start. Are you ready to make it? Let's start. For the first step, we should cut or we should remove this part. Okay? So we will use this. So next, we will cover all of this shoe box. We should cut the flannel into this size. Okay? For green, blue, and orange, we should cut into this size. But for the purple, we should cut like this to make more beautiful. Like me. No, I'm kidding. Okay, so we will use glue to finish. So now I will continue to cover the perfume box and then the rolls of the toilet paper. Okay, so for this perfume box, I will cover with the pink flannel, and then for the rolls, I will cover with the maroon tape. So same like the purple flannel, we will cut like this. Okay, so and then we will stick in these rolls with the glue. Perfume box, but in here I already have the perfume block with the cover. Okay, so next I will make the mouth and the ribbon for all of the box with the sticky note and then with the marker. Okay, so I just draw the mouth and then the ribbon, and I will start. So after finish to cover all of the boxes and then the rolls, don't forget to cover the bottom of the shoe box. Okay, so I will use the orange flannel to cover it and then glue. So after finish to stick the double tape, I will stick now inside of the box of the shoe box. Okay, I will put all of my favorite book, pencil, pen, and everything in this stationery box. My stationery box is finished. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and comment. Hopefully this video will be useful for all of you. Goodbye and have a great day. Bye.